right, this is question set 02, the questions for class set 2, question set 1, and this is part C, I guess. So ignore the earlier information that CAPM holds. The evidence suggests that CAPM does not work very well. Actual returns on stocks are different than what the model says the return should be given the stock's beta. What explanation below is not plausible for this result? So this question is a little bit weirdly worded. Essentially what it's asking for is what are the assumptions of CAPM? So if you read these questions by changing the do not into do, it makes a lot more sense. So which ones of these are assumptions of CAPM? Investors all have the same information set. That is 100% an assumption of CAPM. Investors can buy and sell using automated trading programs. So if you read that can't, that's not really an assumption of CAPM. In fact, CAPM was invented before all of these trading programs. We're going to put that as a maybe. Investors do not face taxes, transaction costs, liquidity constraints, and therefore don't face the same opportunity sets. That is an assumption of CAPM. Investors can borrow at the risk-free rate, also an assumption of CAPM. Investors do have the same views on an expected risk and return. That's an assumption of CAPM. So in CAPM, even if investors have different expectations of return or different risk tolerances, they still all are going to try to pick the best portfolio they can. This is the only answer that is outside of CAPM assumptions. And A, it's because CAPM was invented before we had automated trading programs, but B, automated trading programs shouldn't really change CAPM that much, because if all investors have the same information set and the same abilities, then everybody can use an automated trading program. So the answer here is B.